Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and happy new year. Steve, I can't believe this year is flying by so fast. And I think on behalf of all the people here at Gordon Marketing, we just really want to say thank you to all your efforts, your hard work. AEP is finally over. But I think there's still very important things that the agents must do to finish the year strong, right, Steve?
Yeah. Again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gordon. But yeah, there's a handful of things that as an agent, now that you have this downtime after AEP, you've been extremely busy. You've probably been working 12-hour days for
Or
quite a
longer.
while.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a number of things, though, that we just want to check off for you to make sure that you're continuing to still do to make sure that 2026 is one of your best years. And one of the first things that come to mind is I would be reviewing a lot of my appointments that I did run in AEP because there's going to be some that are going to pop up that while you have had those appointments that, like, you know what, I need to come back and visit with these people again to talk to them about other topics.
Yeah, a lot of people I've heard talk and say, hey, I heard about life insurance. I'd like some life insurance information, but you're too busy during AEP. But now you have that time to go back, like Steve said, and follow up with those.
Yep.
What
There-
about like the use of the CRM? Isn't that a valuable?
That's one thing that you probably should take some time in making sure you're updating all your clients' profiles. There may have been, days during AEP where you may or not have had a chance to get in there and fill in more information about that client because you've had so many back-to-back appointments. So being able to go in there and note those life insurance policies you want to review, or note that the client had a 401k that they mentioned that they hadn't done anything with, or they're wanting maybe some long-term care information. Those are things that you want to update in your CRM. Maybe put a calendar reminder for you after the new year to reach back out. Those are just easy layups for you guys to have appointments ready to go in the new year.
Easy layups. I love it. Use technology to your advantage. He's talking about the CRM. Set a campaign. If you have people interested in annuities, set a campaign, start dripping on them now. Let technology do the work. Or if they need life insurance, whatever they need, set those campaigns up in your CRM and relax a little bit, but finish the year strong.
Yep. I think the last thing I'd say to do is you may have some life insurance policies that are already enforced for your clients, or annuity policies. Check and see what ones are coming up on their anniversary in the first quarter, and set reminders too for that. So you're going to have a strong first quarter coming out of the holidays. So, with that, for Troy Culver, for me, Steve Allison, we want to wish you, happy holidays and happy selling.
Yep. Thank you.